Thank you for coming to my presentation, Managing Video and VR Content with Plone. Hi, my name is Manabu Terada. Can you read this kanji? First two words is Terada. It's a last name, a family name. So Manabu is one word, one character. So, and I'm owner of CMS Communications in Japan. So, and I'm board chair of PyCon JP, PyCon Japan, and member of Plone Foundation. So I have a small company in Tokyo. It's called CMS.com. We make a lot of Plone sites in Japan, and we are supporting some education tools and so for example, so EduCommons and OpenEdX. OpenEdX is a MOOC tool based on Django, and we are making web system by Pyramid. So I will start talk main content now. First, motivation. Imagine a scenario. I want to use streaming video technology to publish private video content. So, YouTube, the video upload and the video streaming and the CDN, using CDN, so very good service. And Plone can't support the video streaming, but access control is very good, and the private network we can set up the private network. So our product, so video content support and video streaming and using CDN and access control and private network. So other things. So I know there are other video CMS available, but I think all of the existing systems are looking in some way. So Cultura is open source video CMS, but OSS version does not have enough functions. So commercial version is very good, but a bit expensive. And Water the same means. So first challenge. So I have been making a new product since 2011, about 5 years ago. So this product, so upload video content in Plone and progressing download from Plone, but it has not been released on Piper yet. So this product, so file upload the Plone so into the GeoDB, and doing a progressing download. So this product has two versions. The first version, the supported only FLV files, need a flash player on client side. So because it doesn't support iOS. So version 2, so support MP4 files with using video.js library, and support OGG files for Firefox, because Firefox doesn't support MP4 until recent. So my motivation is to support the iOS and Android and all browsers. So we created a new content type, so like file content, and video template, and custom template for page content for the enabling embedding the video. But there was a big problem. So I give up on FLV because I wanted to support iOS, but there was a special rule for iOS. Do you know this rule? So HTTP servers hosting media file for iOS must support byte range request. iOS browser firstly is a head request to the head. So support accept range. So second time is the get method. To the you have to divide video data up into chunks. So it is a big problem. It is very tired to this issue. But I have already lost my motivation because I found another approach. So I'm going to talk about the new approach, streaming. So this product supports streaming content in AWS with Plone. It uses S3 and CloudFront and Amazon Elastic Transcoder. But editor upload video content in Plone, and viewer streaming from CDN. System structure. Firstly, upload to Plone, automatically transfer to S3 on AWS, and automatically transcoding to Amazon Elastic Transcoder. And Plone made a signed URL, so we can get the streaming video from CDN. So we created AWS setting for a control panel for AWS settings, and we created one-click setting for AWS function, and link-like content type, and video template, and signed URL creation by bottle. This is streaming settings, AWS settings. So access key and secret key, and selection region, and bucket name. Two bucket name, so temporary bucket name and saving data bucket name, and CloudFront key and other things. So, however, I have a working in progress. So a few more automatic settings for AWS function. So I think it's not supported by bottle. And synchronize the deleting of a video file on S3 when content is deleted on Plone. And big issues, support Plone 5. It currently only supports Plone 4. So I will lead this sprint tomorrow. Please join us. Okay, demonstration. This is top page for Japanese. Okay. Okay, upload the video. I'm sorry, just a moment. Ooh. Just a moment. Okay, sorry. Okay, start upload to Plone server in this computer. So and automatically transfer to the S3. Now I think is uploading as S3. Just a moment. So I'm not creating the asynchronous upload to S3. And it is oh really okay. Oh no.
Time zone? Time is off.
Oh, really? I don't know. Okay. Already upload the file. Okay. Okay. So and we support speed up, speed down. Oh. So okay. Okay. So next slide. Okay. Third content. So this third content. So in the future, we support VR view for the image and the video on Plone. VR means VR is different meanings, some different meaning. I will talk about the 36-degree content with Plone. We can buy some 36-degree camera like this. So YouTube is sorry. Okay. YouTube supports 36-degree camera. Okay. So on Facebook support video and this is image. This is supports Facebook and YouTube. Sorry. So image, the Facebook is supported and video supported. The YouTube are not supported image. So Flickr is supported only image. Dropbox is not supported. So for intranet, sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. So for intranet, Facebook is not. I think not. We can't use the Facebook and the YouTube and the Flickr. The Dropbox is the same. I think okay. So the Plone is okay. Okay, just a moment. Sorry. I'm sorry. So I'm only created a sample template. So for image. image. I'm sorry, it's Japanese. Image. Upload. No, this is normal image type. Upload the image. No, not supported the Plone. So I made the original template.
Very cool.
Yes. So, but I'm sample code. So we will remake soon. So for the image and the video, Okay. Okay. Thank you for my presentation. Thank you very much.